adalah panjang lebar. Sebab kita pegangnya, ini terkait namanya antara penulisan ini syarat batas daripada tidak kita ini. Kalau dari atas ke bawah, di mana pertama kali kamu tumbuh sampai hari ini, maka tidak boleh kita tidur di atas ini. Apalagi dia boleh, maka dia boleh. Maka dia pakai ini antara hari dan tempat jalan.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I will show you a short review of customroom on my Redmi Note 7. So let's start for the first settings now. Okay, just press the start, then choose one of the SIM card here, and I will set up offline. So continue, and then accept. I just skip it. Alright, now so this is the home screen of Syberia OS. So let's check the quick setting here. We have internet, Bluetooth, don't disturb menu, flashlight, auto rotate, battery saver, airplane mode, night light, and we press this, tap this pencil, small pencil icon, so we can add another icons here. We have oh yes, we have Dolby Atmos here, so I think this menu will be enhance the sound of this phone. So let's gesture, swipe back again, and swipe up. So we check the settings first. Yeah, about phone, yeah, this is the spec of Redmi Note 7, 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM. Yeah, this is Syberia OS, Android 13. Yes, Syberia. And move to Wi-Fi network. Let's check the hotspot tethering. Oh, there is no adding menu for VPN share, so you cannot share your connection through VPN. So just by USB tethering and Ethernet tethering. Yeah, unfortunately, this ROM don't have settings with VPN sharing. And then connected device, NFC. So this phone doesn't have NFC. And then display menu, tap to wake up, tap to this is Siberian settings here. Yeah, this is the customization of Syberia OS. Syberia OS. System for button. You can enable this button power buttons or this time. Yeah, screenshot or another function. And the notification, general tweaks. This is for gamers. Yes, the gaming function will be unlock higher frame rate per second. For instance, Mobile Legends, PUBG or Free Fire and so on. And then panel, yeah, status bar. You can customize this. 4G replace for LTE. LTE, this one, LTE. LTE and 4G icon. Battery percent next to the icon. Yeah, this will show. Let me take focus. Yeah, it's too dark. It's too shiny. Yeah. Clock status with second. AM, PM, small amount. Okay. Next, game space. This is additional settings for gaming. Stay awake, log gesture, so the notification doesn't disturb your section on playing a game. And then UI setting, customization. This is the menu of UI suspension. Icon shape, you can change the shape of the icons on the phone. For example, I choose hexagon. Let's check. Yes, let's turn to hexagon shape. Okay, next. Lock screen. Yeah, this is the lock screen. Double clock, double line for the clock is available. Yeah, this is Syberia team. Yeah? So the person or the group of developer. Next, sound and vibration. You can set up what ringtone you want for ringing on the phone or message ringtone. Yes, this is Dolby Atmos. Let's see the Dolby Atmos. Yeah, this is the plus feature of this ROM. Okay, let's check the sound. For example, with bass enhancer here. So try graphic. Yeah, you can up, or you can down the equalizer here. I don't have music here, so I can test the sound here. I'm sorry for that. Now the battery, yes, battery, so personal status bar. This is the menu of the power of the battery. Notifications. Here's the menu. And security lock screen. Yeah, this is face unlock. So the fingerprints doesn't work. I think all Android ROM from 11 up to 14, Android 14, the fingerprint is not working. Now, then privacy here, storage. So the storage, it takes 12 gigabyte use from the total 64 gigabyte of the internal memory. Okay, so it takes 12 gigabyte. So that's larger than the ROM I shared to you before. This is the utilities. This is the menu, audio adjustment, system. This is the gesture here, power button, navigation. So you can change gesture navigation to 3-button navigation. Yeah, this 3 navigation button. Okay. Yeah. We have language input. Device specific setting. Me sound enhancer. Make the sound louder than normal sound. So this is video. Okay, I think that's the short review from me. Android 13 Syberia OS. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.